Okay, I think it's about time we harvest these. Hello. So garlics. There's some more. And some more. And a weed. And some more garlics. In the ground. There we go. Just easily moved. Get very shallow roots. Well, these are the big stem. You can see these are bolted together for some reason. Okay. Chickens are getting very excited. Hey chickies, you getting very excited, girls? Yeah, don't worry. There's roots. Just checking if we've got any clothes in there or not. This one I think would be returned. Huh. This one? Oh, there's one inside here. Goodness. Who knew? That one's got clothes. Okay. To do is just shake off the dirt, because this little sucker is going to have to dry out. Let's get rid of most of the sand. Yeah, there's another little one. Now, according to its stem, can we pot it? This one. Him and his brother. There we go. There we go, they're telling that they're ready. We start dyeing off the tips. That one I think I can just repot. There's my lovely onion seeds. Not too deep. Loose soil. Happy days. Chicken food. Next one. We say next bunch. Let's go for it. Even if you don't want to take them out, you can replant them again. They grow a bit bigger. If you don't feel the actual clove growing inside. But this one's got quite a few stems at least. And once you've loosened the soil, I think they can come up quite. Yeah, these ones have been bunched together for a while. Look at that. It's even little ones. My goodness. Holy smokes. It's a new plant trying to grow there. Let's get that sand off it. It's final haul. Some of these smaller ones I can just use for reseeding, regrowing the garden. planted some of the old, smaller ones.